Welcome to Vibe Coding with Visual Studio AI Dev Kit. Get ready to dive into the future of coding. Vibe coding is all about making your coding experience intuitive, enjoyable, and highly productive. Visual Studio continues to be the ultimate environment for developers. Its robust features streamline every aspect of coding. The AI Development Kit integrates cutting-edge AI directly into your workflow, bringing intelligence to your fingertips. With the AI Dev Kit, you can easily learn and implement LLM RAG, a powerful approach for AI-driven solutions. Get hands-on with practical examples and tutorials that make complex AI concepts simple and accessible. Developers benefit from faster development cycles, smarter code suggestions, and the ability to create truly innovative applications. This kit empowers you to elevate your coding skills and stay at the forefront of AI development. Ready to transform your coding? Start your AI development journey with Visual Studio AI Dev Kit today.